Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Government of Canada has made a biggest announcement on 2nd October 2020 regarding the entry of international students to Canada. So guys, watch this video till end to know whether you can enter into Canada or not. So let's begin. The first question that comes into the mind of the most of the students that whether government of Canada has opened borders for the international students. Yes guys, it is true, they have opened the borders. And what conditions or what the guidelines they have issued, that is a process what the government has actually said in their statement that a process is being introduced to support enhanced family reunification, including those in long-term exclusive relationships, international students, and entry for the compassionate reasons. Basically, they have selected the three categories. The first is enhanced family reunification, the second is international students, and the third is the entry for the compassionate reasons. And besides this, they have also mentioned that the government continues to enforce and strengthen travel restrictions and border measures that have been in place since March 2020. The mandatory quarantine measures, which require travelers to quarantine or isolate for 14 days immediately upon entry to Canada, have been effective. It means the quarantine measures or the precautions that you have to take means you have to isolate for 14 days after you arrive to Canada, that will remain in place. More specifically, when these process or the guidelines will be available, these process will provide for the entry of international students starting October 2020, means the entry of international students will start from the date of October 20. But the condition is that if they will be attending a designated learning institution that has been identified by the provincial or territorial government as having COVID-19 readiness plan in place, means the institution, the university or the college that you are going to attend must have COVID-19 readiness plan. The detailed information on who may qualify and the process and the requirements to be eligible to travel to and enter Canada will be available on the Immigration, Refugee and Citizenship Canada website on October 8, 2020. So guys, please check the website of canada.ca for their regular updates. And please note, travelers should not make any travel plans until they have met all requirements and obtained all necessary authorizations to qualify to come to Canada under the new rules. So please don't book tickets now. First of all, you must qualify for the entry. So only after that you should make other arrangements. If you want to know more about this, then you can click on this link that I have also shared in the description box. So guys, if you like my video, then please share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel.